Hi, I'm David from Responsive Engineering. Just going to show you some of the different configurations of WaterWatch. This is our 20072 product, which fits the majority of our four-wheel drives and small commercials. It's a very popular unit. This smaller unit is made for situations where we have a lack of room, more in line with the European passenger vehicles. Both these items are duplicated in a marine application, which also contains a very innovative coating to stop corrosion, coupled with stainless bolts and so forth. So as you can see, WaterWatch comes in different sizes. This pair alone cover most of the passenger vehicles. WaterWatch has a 2-year warranty. As diesel fuel systems change and become more complex, WaterWatch will evolve to stand as your best line of defence against damage to your fuel system. For more information, you can find this on our website, which is waterindiesel.com.au, which also contains a complete list of distributors nationwide. Once again, I'm David. Thank you.